gentlemen, we're over here driving, oh, my camera. Oh, there's snow. Oh, man. It's gonna get ugly today. It looks like it's gonna have some ice later on tonight, tomorrow, so it's gonna be a bad day tomorrow. People who gotta go to work. That's right, people who gotta go to work. It's getting nighttime right now, and like I said, it's gonna be snowing all over the place, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna go get me some food. I'm hungry, and this is Temple, Texas, ladies and gentlemen, on a snowy day. Okay, I'm getting ready to go eat me some Mexican food. So I'll see you guys later. Here's the little snowman. Alright, here we go.